Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of us juggle every single day. How to take care of ourselves when life feels overwhelmingly busy. Does this sound familiar? You're trying to build a career, maintain friendships, maybe raise a family, and somewhere in that whirlwind, your own health and wellness get pushed to the very bottom of the to-do list. You know you should be working out, eating better, and taking a moment for your mental health, but who has the time? It feels like you need to choose between your responsibilities and your well-being. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if taking care of yourself could be simple, quick, and seamlessly integrated into your already packed schedule? In this video, I'm going to share 10 game-changing practical tips specifically for women's health. We're talking everything from 2-minute workouts you can do at home, to simple skincare swaps for that amazing glow, and even powerful mind hacks to protect your peace. These aren't complicated, time-consuming overhauls. They are small, powerful changes that add up to a healthier, happier you. So if you're ready to stop feeling burnt out and start feeling your best, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First up, let's tackle the biggest hurdle for many of us: exercise. You think you need a gym membership and an hour to spare, but you really don't. Here's a quick home workout you can do anytime, anywhere. All you need is a little bit of space. We're going to do 10 squats, 10 lunges, so that's 5 on each leg, and 10 jumping jacks. Got it? Now repeat that circuit 3 times, that's it. It takes less than 5 minutes, gets your heart rate up, and works your major muscle groups. It's about consistency, not intensity. Doing this simple routine a few times a week is so much better than an ambitious gym plan that you never stick to. You've got this. Next, let's talk about something that affects so many of us every month: period pain and PMS. Instead of immediately reaching for painkillers, let's explore some natural relief that can work wonders without side effects. Yoga is an incredible tool for managing bloating, cramps, and mood swings. A few gentle poses can make a world of difference. Try child's pose to gently stretch your lower back. Then move into cat-cow to release tension in your spine and abdomen. And my personal favorite for relieving cramps and tired legs is legs up the wall pose. Just lie on your back and rest your legs vertically against a wall. It's incredibly calming and helps with circulation. Remember, your body is going through a natural cycle. Working with it, not against it, can be a total game changer. Yoga loves your cycle. Alright, let's move on to skincare, especially as we navigate our 30s and beyond. Your skin's needs change, and your routine should too. It's not about chasing wrinkles or trying to look younger. It's about having healthy, radiant skin that makes you feel confident. So, what should you focus on? The 3 pillars are hydration, protection, and renewal. First, hydration is key. Look for products with hyaluronic acid to plump up your skin. Second, SPF is non-negotiable. Every single day, rain or shine. It's the single best thing you can do to protect your skin's health long-term. And third, consider introducing a gentle retinol into your nighttime routine a few times a week. It helps with cell turnover and keeps your skin looking bright and smooth. It's not about perfection. It's about that glowing confidence that comes from feeling good in your own skin. Now for a topic that's just as important as our physical health, our mental health. And a huge part of that is setting and maintaining boundaries. Let me say this loud and clear: protecting your peace is not selfish. Saying no is an act of self-care. We're often taught to be people pleasers, to say yes to every request to avoid disappointing others. But this can lead to burnout, resentment, and anxiety. A boundary is simply a line you draw for your own well-being. It could be saying no to extra work when your plate is full, or telling a friend you don't have the emotional energy for a heavy conversation right now. Boundaries aren't about pushing people away. They're about keeping yourself centered and whole. Listen to your gut. If something feels like a no, honor that feeling. Speaking of your gut, did you know that your gut health is directly linked to your mood? It's often called our second brain for a reason. An unhappy gut can contribute to feelings of anxiety and low mood. So how can we keep it happy? It's simpler than you think. First, introduce more probiotics into your diet. You can find them in foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These are the good bacteria that help your digestive system thrive. Second, focus on fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And third, and this one is so important, drink plenty of water. Proper hydration is crucial for digestion and overall health. When you take care of your gut, you're taking care of your mind. Keep your belly and your mood happy. In our constantly connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That brings me to my next tip, the digital detox. I'm not asking you to throw your phone away, but I am challenging you to unplug to recharge. Try taking just 1 hour completely off your phone every day. Maybe it's the first hour after you wake up, or the hour before you go to bed. Use that time to read, stretch, talk with a loved one, or just sit in silence. Studies show that even short breaks from our screens can significantly reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. The endless scroll can make us feel like we're not doing enough or aren't good enough. Real peace, real connection lives offline. Let's talk snacks. When you're busy, it's so easy to grab something processed and sugary. But healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Here are some simple, delicious ideas. Instead of a bag of chips, try some crunchy carrots with hummus. Instead of a candy bar, have a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. It's packed with protein and antioxidants. Or just keep a small bag of almonds in your purse for a quick and satisfying energy boost. Healthy snacking is about fueling your body with nutrients, not just filling a void. What do you do when you feel that wave of stress or overwhelm hit you in the middle of the day? Here's a tool you can use anytime, anywhere. The power of deep breathing. It sounds almost too simple to work, but it's a powerful biological hack. When you feel overwhelmed, just pause. Close your eyes if you can. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Just doing this for 60 seconds can activate your body's relaxation response, calming your mind and resetting your nervous system. Want healthier, shinier hair? The secret isn't just in the products you put on it, but in the nutrients you put in your body. You need to feed your hair from the inside out. So, what does your hair love to eat? Protein is essential, so make sure you're getting enough from sources like eggs, nuts, and lean meats. Healthy fats, found in avocados and nuts, help keep your hair shiny and strong. And don't forget leafy greens like spinach, which are rich in iron and vitamins. And of course, water. Hydration is key for healthy hair follicles. When you nourish your body, your hair will shine with thanks. And finally, let's wrap up with the most important tip of all. Celebrating your body right here, right now. Your body is a gift. It is strong, it is beautiful, and it is worthy of love and respect, no matter its shape, size, or abilities. So often we think, I'll love my body when I lose 10 pounds, or I'll appreciate myself when I look a certain way. But that's a trap. Your body carries you through life. It allows you to experience the world, it heals, and it adapts. Don't wait to love yourself. Start today. Look in the mirror and find one thing you're grateful for. Thank your legs for carrying you, your arms for hugging loved ones, your lungs for every breath. Celebrate everything it does for you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope these tips help you feel more empowered to take care of your amazing self. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a healthy, happy life. And share in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.